Louis Vuitton, who we adopted from the pound. He's a full-bred Pomeranian, and he came with the name Louis Vuitton. So he just turned 2.
Hi, Louis. Hi, sweetie. And who is this?
Okay, this is Miles. He comes from the Humane Society as well. He is just turned 5, and he came with the name Miles, which we love. And he's a very good boy, and he is I'm not sure, a poodle, terrier mix, not quite sure.
And do you always dress to match your puppies?
Oh, always. I love to show off my dogs. So I really love it. And they're so good, and they just love, they're kind of very photogenic, I think, and they're kind of bask in that. I'm Marion Hartwich, and this is my home. And it's small, but I love it, and it's full of treasures. I'm a maximalist, and I love things, and I buy all the time, constantly. I'm on the hunt. I call it the thrill of the hunt. And I just collect and collect and collect and bring more home. You know, I love glasses. I love glasses and collect glasses. And hats, of course. I love hats. And so I cannot get enough of it. This is, for example, one of my little outfits. And yeah, so it's the same thing. I shop high and low. I go to the really good stores. I go to the secondhand stores. I'm going to the Goodwill stores, and I found the best treasures at the Goodwill stores. Enjoy life, because tomorrow it can be over, you know? And so I'm gotten stuck with my glove. Hi there. Say hi to Ari. Hello, hello. Thank you for taking my picture. I feel so special.